get a trial. Take this shit to motherfucking trial. Take this shit to motherfucking trial.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Robbie. And what's good, gang? Welcome back. So today I'm on my way to SHM because we're having an Aux Cord War against Claflin. And I think it's like you pick a genre and then one person pick a song, other person pick a song, and then the audience like votes on who they want. So
what we do. Let away walk. Let away talk. I'm gonna tell you what it's like. Go ahead. Let's go. It ain't nothing to cut that bitch out. Step, step out. Step, step out. It ain't nothing to cut that bitch. Third song, y'all last song. Hold on, what is it? Go ahead. Go ahead. Yo, come here. Up top right now, man. We going crazy right now. Listen, what you want to play for toxic anthems? DJ Cemetery? You know, I've been slowing down, so I'm going to keep it my same thing. I'm going to try it. Come on. I'm going down. I'm going down. But you ain't around, baby. My whole world's upside down. We 1-1 right now? It's 1-1 right now. Best groups. Best group. Hey, all right, the number was 3. So DJ 7 Trey. South Carolina State, y'all worried tonight? Y'all worried? Hell no! Y'all going first, let's go. Why you standing like that? I know you know this, hold on. Why you doing that? That's it! DJ 7 Trey, where we going with? Ain't my girl, she like me. Whoa! Really? Here we go. 1, 2, 1. Hold on. What? Yo, rich nigga. She wants someone like Who y'all spokesperson? You? Alright, cool. You the spokesperson, you choose first. One get 50, the other get the box. Hurry up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You want the box? Alright, cool. You get 50, man. Congratulations. Which box you want? Let her choose the box. Let her choose. Oh, she picked that one. Okay, cool. She got a JBL speaker. You want to do one for Claflin? What you want to play? Claflin, stand up with me. Let's go like this. I know where I came. Everybody on your feet. Everybody on your feet. Everybody on your feet. Everybody put your left arm around your best friend. Now you put your right arm around your best friend that you came in here with. And we're going to do it like this. Everybody on one accord. 1, 2, 3, jump. Rock, roll. What, they on the same side? Oh, they on, oh yeah, you go over there. Okay, y'all gonna be on the same team this time. We gonna, you know who I'm gonna put on this team? No, wait. I think I got somebody. They just text me. They came all the way from New York.
What?
One of our special guests.
Get your phone lights out.
He done played the game before. He rocked with us real heavy.
Get your phone lights out.
Millions of views all over YouTube.
Get your phone lights out.
All over Instagram. He's one of my favorite cast members from Wild 'N Out. And you love it when he say DJ D-Red cut the beat. Give it up. What's good? Turn up songs. Get up. Give it up for 50. Listen, for turn-up songs, DJ Smizo, what you would have played for turn-up songs?
Let me not be a nobody way.
Oh, baby making music. All my fellas, you're welcome. All my fellas, you're welcome.
Niggas gonna get some.
Don't be nervous. Let's get to it.
If you got that NBA YoungBoy playing, go ahead. She know what she doing tonight.
What's our first song? Let's go.
Can I sing to you?
Hold on, we trying to do like this. Hold on. I got what? Oh, nigga.
I could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for
Oh, 7 Trey.
This y'all second and third. I lost count. I'm having so much fun. This y'all second. DJ 7 Trey, what y'all want to do? Let's go.
This a good one.
Third. I like this genre a lot. Let's go.
Hey, we been drinking Casamigos. Hold on.
Block on my dog, that court on the top.
What?
Check in with me,
What?
and do your job. You don't have to ask. You see it's my name, sex is my thing.
Let's go to Q. Hold on, don't try to hide now.
It's y'all third song for Baby Making Music.
Don't try to hide now.
Third and final chance to secure the bag.
Oh.
Third and final chance to secure the bag. What we doing? We're gonna do it like this.
My mind's telling me no.
See the love in your eye, I know you can't hide it. In your walk, in your vibe, make me wanna like a latch spinning wheel. Young baby, you know you got body. I'm driving G-straight, it's just a G. I'm working that thing, I'm working that thing, I'm working that thing, it's just
Keep it moving.
Give it up. What Aux Cord Wars on my
I think they got it.
Claflin, we're gonna get y'all some t-shirts. South Carolina State, y'all got that money! Yeah, shawty, what you doing? Yeah, shawty, what you
My camera died. Well, it was like getting ready to die, so I didn't want to keep recording. But Aux Wars was definitely lit. State won. We won like every single round. So like with Aux Wars, what they do is like if you win, like the crowd picks who's like on the left side, who's on the right side, and they pick the winner. And the losing team gets like a free t-shirt and the winning team gets money. It was one girl, I don't know if I recorded it or not, but one girl, she got the mystery box and in her box was a fork. And everybody was like, oh, she got a fork, but that means that everybody eats. So she got $100 and her best friend got $100. Another person got a JBL speaker and then another person got a pair of AirPods. So like, no matter what, you're gonna walk away with something if you win. So no matter if it's money or whatever. So yeah, State definitely showed out as we should, and we show out every time. And y'all, they brought Conceited. DJ D-Red cut the beat Conceited. Wildin' Out Eat the Boys Up in the freestyle battle Conceited. Like, who you know doing that? But yeah, so that was today. Tomorrow we have financial literacy and a DJ battle. So they're gonna teach us about saving money, making money, and just, you know, anything about money. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for Vlogtober Day 2.